Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can help streamline your business communication. In this video, we'll show you how to create a business Gmail account. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to. Click on the Create Account button to begin the process. Step 2. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Make sure to use your business name, domain, or any variation that represents your brand. This will help create a strong and memorable email address. Step 3. Create a strong and secure password for your account. Remember to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to maximize security. Step 4. Next, you'll be asked to verify your account. Gmail provides multiple verification options, such as using your phone number or an alternate email address. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the instructions. Step 5. Once your account is verified, it's time to customize your settings. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 6. Here, you can configure various settings like email signature, auto-reply, and vacation responder to streamline your communication and save time. Step 7. Familiarize yourself with the different features of Gmail, such as labels, folders, and filters. These tools will help you organize and prioritize your incoming emails efficiently. Step 8. Don't forget to download the Gmail mobile app on your smartphone. This way, you can stay connected and access your business emails on the go. Step 9. Lastly, ensure the security of your business Gmail account by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to prevent unauthorized access. Congratulations! You've successfully created your business Gmail account. By following these steps, you can now enjoy seamless communication with your clients, improve your brand image, and enhance productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.